guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jojo for those who are new, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. So if today is your first time being here, kindly consider hitting the red subscribe button below. So today I'll be taking you through an online auction. Following the government's directive that we're not supposed to be having public gatherings, auctions were put on hold. So we've not been having any physical auctions, but of late they've started having the online auctions. So I thought I'll take you guys along and show you how to navigate the online auction. So if that is something that you'd be interested in, keep on watching. So first things first, you'll have to register on their website, which is www.eauctions.garam.co.ke. So after you've gone to the website, you'll have to create a new account. So you'll click on create new account, and then they will give you some boxes where you need to put in your phone number, your name, your username, email address, and also you'll have to create a password. So after you're done with that, you'll have created your new account, and this is the account that you're going to use when you're bidding for the items that you're interested in. So after creating your account, you'll have to purchase your bid number. So since everything is being done online, there's an M-Pesa pay bill number that they will have put, where you're going to send the 10,000 shillings for the bid number. But worry not, after the auction is done, they will refund you the 10,000 shillings within 48 hours. So after you've deposited the 10,000 shillings in the M-Pesa account, so now you're free to bid for the items that you're interested in. Categories of catalogs, but they're all the same, so you can choose any catalog that you want to click through. The items that they're selling will be under each catalog. So you'll click on the catalog and it will open up all the images that they're selling. So go through all the images one by one, and if you need to view more photos, click on the link under the image and it will open up and show you more photos if there are more photos for the item that is being sold. Make sure you go through everything before the auction starts, because the auction starts at exactly 11 a.m. and it goes up until 1 p.m. So make sure you go through everything that you're interested in and have an amount of cash in mind that you'd like to spend on a particular item. So make sure you've done your research, check the market price of the item that you want to buy, and see if the market price is X amount, so maybe I'm willing to spend Y amount for the same item. So go through everything and make sure at exactly 11 a.m. you're back on the website. So you can register way before, and then at 11 a.m. come back to the website and now start placing your bid. The next thing we're going to do is start placing bids for the items that we want. So for instance, we want to bid for the brown 5-seater sofa set plus chairs. So what you're going to do is you're going to go below the image of the sofa and you're going to click on the place bids button. So after you click on the place bids button, it will take you to a new window where it will show you the current bid and it will describe for you whatever item that is on sale, and it will below it will give you a place where you can place your bid. So currently for the chair, for this sofa, it is standing at 10,000. So I tried inputting 10,500 bob, but I was told that your bid is less than the current bid number and the increment is in 1,000 Kenyan shillings. So meaning anything that you're going to bid, it's supposed to increase in values of 1,000 shillings. So for instance, for this sofa, it is at 10,000 shillings. So meaning if I want to bid for it, I'll have to add 1,000 bob on top. So if it's at 10,000 shillings, so my bid is supposed to be 11,000 shillings. So I'll put 11,000 shillings and then place my bid and then go back and see if there's any other item that I'm interested in. So I'd like to bid for a seat. There was an office seat and a table. So I'll go to the where the image is of the office seat and table. Below it, there's a place bids button. So I'll click on the place bids button and then it will take me to this new window and it shows that the seat and the office table has no bid. There's no one who has bidded for it. So the price is at 0 Kenyan shillings. So it's for me to place my first bid. And remember, we are placing our bids in terms of 1,000 bob going up. So since it's at 0 Kenyan shillings, my bid will be 1,000 Kenyan shillings. So I'll place my 1,000 and place my bid and then go back and look for other item that I'd love to place my bid on. So the next thing I wanted to bid on was a massage bed. It's down here. So as you can see, people are still placing their bids. So there are items that people have bidded for, and there's this bed. No one is interested in it so far. So let's go down and see what other bids people have been placing. So you can see for the assorted trays, no one is interested. For the dining table, no one has placed their bids still. So the hoverboard, it's at 1,200. And then the lampshades, no one has placed their bids. So go on and look at the items that you're interested in, and I would like to place my bid on this massage bed. So currently no one has placed their bids, so I'm going to go below the image, click on place bids, and it will take me to the new window and it shows the current price is at 0 Kenyan shillings. So I'll place my 1,000 Kenyan bob for the massage bed and place my bid, and then I go back and check if there are other items that maybe I may be interested in and people have not started bidding on them, or maybe the prices are a bit low. So for those ones, maybe I can have my luck. So keep looking at the items on sale and the amount people are placing the amount people are bidding. Shucks. So for the items that I'm interested in is the brown sofa set and the table and the seat, the massage bed. So for the items that I'm interested in are the massage bed. I'm helping a friend to bid for the items. So the massage bed, we have the brown 5-seater sofa set, the 6-burner cooker, and the chair and the office desk. So those are the items that we are trying to bid for. Another tip I'll give you is, since the auction starts at 11 a.m. all the way till 1 p.m, don't be in a hurry to place your bids. Take it slow. Maybe you can place your bid when the auction starts, maybe around 11, 11:10, 11, by 11:30 have your first bid, and then relax. Take your time so that you don't keep raising the prices and you end up getting the item for a high price. So take your time, do it slow, and also you can wait. You can place your first bid maybe at around 11 at the start of the auction, maybe 11, 11:30, and then chill, and then around 12, 12:30 you come back and see how far have the prices gone up. And then if you're interested in a particular item, now it's your time to place your bid. But make sure you don't do it hurriedly, so that at least you get to go with a good price. So it is exactly 1 p.m. and the auction has closed, so you cannot be allowed to place your bid. There's no provision for placing your bid. So let's see how much the items went for. So the first thing we have is the PlayStation. It didn't have any photos, and it went for 10,000. Just 10,000. These two hook patio chairs, they went for 32,000. And if you ask me, this is a deal, because I was checking at Odds and Ends and Furniture Palace website, and one of these goes for 55,000. So getting two for 32,000, that's like 16,000 for one. This was a good deal. The 6-burner, it was 45,000, and it was together with the 13 kg cylinder. We have the washing machine Samsung. It was 34,000. The Samsung 2-door fridge, it was 53,500. We have Samsung 60-inch TV. It was 43,000. We have the Samsung 49-inch TV. It went for 29,000. We have the TV stand, which went for 12,000. The wooden side table was 5,100. The dining table and 8 seats was 19,000. We have this glass sided shelf. There were 2 pieces, going for 31,000. The wooden sideboard was 12,000. We have these 10 wall hangings that went for 18,000. If you ask me, this was on the higher side, because you can get paintings cheaper than this. And where is the painting? Let me show you the wall hangings, because the lion was the only biggest painting. The others were so small. So these are all the paintings, the 10 paintings that were being sold. So the only thing that made sense is maybe the lion painting. These others, I don't know why someone would get them for 18,000. This was on the higher side. The exercise seat was 7,000, and then we have the home bar 2-piece, which was 14,000. Baby car seat, it went for 3,000, which is cheaper. We have the hoverboard 9,000. Baby rocker went for 7,000. And then the office table and chair went for 11,000. These wooden chests, this was so good. It was antiquish and it was 11,000. Let me see what else. So they have another auction which is slated for 28th May from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. same day. So if you're interested, you'll just have to come on their website. I've given you the website. Come register for your free account, deposit money to purchase your bid number, and then you can start bidding. Yeah, so if you're interested, make sure you log into their website before the 28th or on the 28th before 11 a.m. Register, deposit, have your cash ready, and you can start bidding. And I wish you all the best. May the odds be with you. So that's it for today's episode. I hope you learned a thing or two about how to navigate the online auction, since it's a little bit different. Not a little bit, it's totally different from the physical auction. So if you're interested, register with them and try your luck. You never know, you may be the one who gets the item that you're looking for. So until next time, bye.